Let's learn how to create an issue inside of GitHub. Now, there are a few different ways to do this because a lot of different areas around GitHub allow you to create issues from certain things like projects or discussions or comments and stuff like that. But the first way and the easiest way is by navigating over to the issues. You can get there by clicking on issues right below your repository name. This will open up the page with the list of all of the open issues, and all we have to do is click on new issue over here on the right. Now we can just give it a title and give it a description. And over here on the right are some options if you are a maintainer of this repository. You can assign this to anybody else who is a maintainer. You could add labels to this particular issue. You could give it a type. Right now, I have no type because I don't have any type set up. You could assign a project to this issue, and you can assign a milestone to the issue. Once you've filled out all of these different pieces, you can come down here and then hit create. This will create your issue, and it also opens up a discussion thread that allows you to talk about the issue further with more maintainers. Now, what's nice is you can have further discussion about this issue, but you can also open up another issue from a comment. So we have this comment here, and I just said this is a comment, and I want to open up an issue based off of this comment. What I do is I go over here and I click these three dots, and it opens up this panel where I can then reference in a new issue. I'll click on this, and it opens up a pop-up that allows us to fill out some information. So here we want to make it some other title. So I'll just call it issue 2, and you'll notice inside of the description, it adds a little bit of markdown to signify where this issue is coming from. It derives from that original comment that I made. So now we can just hit create, and we just created another issue based off of a comment. Another way to create an issue is by referencing some code. So if we navigate to a file and we want to create an issue off of some code, we can go over here and click on the line number that the issue applies to. This will highlight that particular line, and you'll notice these three dots come up next to it. If we click on the three dots, one of the options down here is to reference in a new issue, and we go through the same process as before. Say we wanted to reference multiple lines, what we would do is we would click the first line, and then we would hold shift and click on any multiple lines after it or before it. Then when we reference in a new issue, it will use all of the code lines that we have highlighted. So we can click on the three dots, click on reference in new issue, we'll give it a title, and we'll give it a description, and then we'll hit create. So now that we've created an issue from code, we can also create an issue from a discussion board. So if we click on discussions and then navigate to a discussion, we have this new feature here. We can click on it, and now from here, we can actually scroll down, and over in the bottom right, we can create issue from discussion. Now in the body of this create new issue, we are referencing that discussion. So if I just hit create, we can now see that we are referencing that discussion in the body of our issue. The last place I want to show you where you can create an issue is by going into a project, and inside of the project, what we can do is we can hit the plus sign on the task, and then one of the options is to create a new issue. So if I click on this, what I'd get is an ability to change the potential repository. Maybe I didn't want it in this original Maven project repository. Maybe I wanted the issue in a different one that's associated with this project. And then we have all of the other same things that we can fill out, which is a title, a description, and then some labels, assigning it to people, stuff like that. So once we give it a title, we can hit create. And from here, you can see the issue on our board. If we click on it, it will open up a panel that shows us, hey, this is the issue that you're talking about. If we move back to the original repository and then go into the issues, we can see that that project issue is open just for this repository. So with that, those are a few different ways that you can open up an issue inside of GitHub.